Candida here, and I got the Rest-Eazzzy Cat House to help keep the stray cats warm during this fall and winter season. And I'm not necessarily a cat person, but I've had 5 cats seem to want to adopt me, and so I do worry about them with the weather getting cold. So I've ordered this cat house just to help keep them warm. And so it comes together in just a few pieces, and it's got the instructions to help us put together. But what I found was putting this together was super simple. It's only got a few pieces. I simply open it up, and as you can see, it's got the foil lining, so it helps keep it insulated, and it is self-warming to help keep the cats warm. And then the top of it just simply velcros on, and so it stays in place, but I also like that it's going to make for easy cleaning. It's got the 3 little tabs here on the sides and in the bottom with 2 stakes, so I can put this in the ground and stake it, or I can move it around. And so that is definitely going to be one of the great features. Here, when I have it outside, when it's time to clean it, I can simply just lift it up. I can take the little padding out, give it a wash, and put it back down. And one of the stray cats found it very quickly and curled in to get out of the wind. And the first thing that I noticed was she peeks out and lets all of the others know that she is here. I do have 5 cats. This cat house is going to be big enough for maybe 1 or 2. These cats, though, definitely like to snuggle up together, and so that's always a win. So I hope you found the review helpful.